Sounds
It's
good.
it's getting late and I haven't jerked off yet. You know how it is.
It's that time of the day.
Dude, it's that time of the day. You just get down and just like put away all your morals and watch. You know.
All right, let's Trico.
Alright, let's go.
Trico
Yeah?
Rico.
No,
Alright,
unfortunately,
two
we have to.
times.
Unfortunately,
good
we
time.
have to
We don't need
lose.
to win the first two.
Unfortunately, we have to lose Helix somehow.
Exactly.
Venka, you want to get middle berries?
Ah, yeah.
She's gonna do bottoms.
Oh, okay.
Oh, alright, I'm down here now. Good job.
Fuck me.
Okay.
he just
well,
threw
we're,
them.
we literally, we're literally,
No,
we're
I
literally
threw it in.
Oh,
four
okay.
left.
I'm going up. I'm up. I'm gonna try
Don't
and
toss.
clear.
They're
Yeah, they
still
just need
bottoms.
Oh
bottom.
shit.
Okay.
Wow.
Good shit. We're out two. We're out two. We're
Don't
out two.
trade, but yeah.
He's on last. No, it's fine because it let us get a berry in, so now there's more pressure here.
I'm up.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
No, Pavan, what the fuck?
Oh, shit.
You weren't supposed to win.
Oh,
What the
God.
hell?
Oh, God.
A hat
Guys,
and a hat trick
I'm
too.
sorry.
God, stop!
I'm sorry.
You're playing too well.
Should we just 3-co him again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's Trico every map.
Oh shit, I'm blundering. Oops. We're literally two. We need one.
No shit.
We're done.
Oh,
23 seconds.
All right, I'll go middle berries.
Alright, I'm going right again. Are we 3-coing?
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm
Go
gonna
right after him.
I'm gonna pass on the right.
Okay.
Try.
Okay, pivot, pivot, pivot.
Yep.
Yeah, Pavan, hold that. There's no one near you. Right. Oh shit, I'm fucking garbage. We're all bad? Good job.
There's speed snow, or maybe speed berry. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Oh boy.
Oh, wow. That's a pretty good response.
Alright, always have the queen ledge when they're on last. Good job, guys.
It almost worked.
Yeah, okay, let's do actual meta now.
Okay.
It was
Wait, what
interesting.
map is it?
I mean,
Okay, let's-
I
can we
feel like we
open
still can
3-co?
practice it though. I think. we can
Open
practice
3-co. Open
Okay.
3-co.
it. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going.
I'll pass on wall.
Yeah, everyone pass to me, and
I'm
I'll
going
chuck them in.
over gun gate now.
Yeah, try to win the middle.
He doesn't notice.
Alright, well,
Lugia got very stunned.
I kicked away like 5 berries.
I'm too. We're tied on berries, so it's okay.
You exchanged the life for the berry tie?
Alright, I'm dead. If I didn't need that life, we're fine.
There's no issues here.
The gun gate, Pawan.
Dude, he's like hovering over it.
Sorry, I'm pushing snail. Oh.
I'm triple snail this shit.
Okay, I'll do it without a shield.
Yeah, bro!
Top right, top right, top right, top right, top right.
Oh god, that was so close.
Pawan living on edge. Oh shit. Oh man.
Like, fuck you, ground. Die. Good news, I killed the ground.
So, Balto, if you want to play, I'm actually about to drop after this one, so... Unless you're just watching. Yeah.
Alrighty. Yeah, let's do. Yeah, I'll go mid gate.
Unfortunately doing real strats. Yeah, I'm up.
I'm out.
My frame the mace.
Nice, nice.
This is good, I like this now.
Remember, don't let him dive on you. Do not let him dive on you.
Alright, what'd you say?
Good job staying at top. Good job.
Oh
What'd you
shit.
say?
Oh, I framed the fucking
No!
sword, bro!
Nice.
Oh shit. Yeah, that was just bad communication.
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay, I'm on 2. It's okay.
Didn't need that light.
Didn't need that one.
Get this. Ooh, don't.
Yeah, let's just inst this snail. Oh shit, they got a speed. They're cheating.
Damn it. Andres just got me. I had to clear in for that center there.
Got him. He's on 2.
Center. Alright, we're two.
Nice! Nice! Fucking nice, dude.
Ah, fuck
Aw.
me.
Good job, Pencat.
Remember Collins, she said? Collins? I'm falling. It's okay.
Oh my god.
It's all good.
Goddamn speed, dude.
Dead, I'm on the last now. It's okay.
It's the only life you need, though.
That's it. Now we win. Alright, guys, 3 go.
What could go wrong?
Oh shit.
Good job.
You know what happened? We won the first 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, they reverse sweeped us. I know. That was.
That was a shame. Alright, do you guys want to keep playing? Because I have